Hello everyone, welcome to QuantSap. Myself Vignesh. Thanks once again for joining me in this video. So you might have already seen in the thumbnail. So today's topic, we will be talking about how to capture the reversals, correct? Suppose a stock is following a strong momentum on the upside, or say the stock is continuously falling on the downside. So what is the level? How would I be able to catch the reversals exactly? Okay, so before getting into today's video, first of all, I would like to tell you that if you haven't installed QuantSap yet, kindly you have the link in the description mentioned, so kindly install it at the earliest. The benefits that you will be getting after installing it, you will be getting access to 25 free tools immediately. However, QuantSap has approximately, I would say, 75 to 80 tools. Okay, so out of those 80 tools, 25 tools are free of cost, so you can unlock them as soon as you install, and you can explore them, and it will help you in your trading journey. Apart from that, if you want to know more about the paid tools, what you can do is, once you install this is free for all the users. So just kindly click on learn. Under self learning, you will be getting an option of video library. Okay, so what is video library? Basically, video library is, I would say, the banks of videos. So it is covered in almost all the languages. We have covered English, Hindi, Marathi and Tamil. So you can choose the language as per your convenience, and you can check out all the videos. This video library consists of, I would say, approximately all the videos we have covered in all the 4 languages. Okay, so let's talk about today's topic. Okay, say, give me a second, let me share my whiteboard. Okay. Say for example, this is a resistance, or say this is a support level. Okay, say the stock is moving and the stock hits the resistance level. Now there is a possibility that the stock might either reverse from this level, or the stock might break out on the upside. Correct? There are 2 possibilities when the stock hits the resistance. Either it will retrace or it might break out. Correct? Now, there are approximately, I would say, 187 FNO scripts. Okay, 1 or 2 more or less that keeps on happening, but on an average, if you see, 185, 190 FNO scripts we have. So my question to you is it manually possible for you to keep on checking which stock is trading near its highest call writers, which stock is trading near its highest put writers, that is, which stock is trading near its resistance, which stock is trading near its support level? So manually it is not possible to go and check out each and every stock. Okay, so what if I tell you QuantSap has a tool which will give you automatic support and resistance, and at one click you can check out the support and resistance of almost all the stocks. I would say 187 FNO scripts, you can go and check out the support and resistance based on OI, and also you can gauge whether this particular resistance or whether this particular support will hold, or is it gonna break on either side. Okay, so let us go to the application first. Okay, so first, see, let me give you a brief overview about the home page. So talking about the home page, if you see on the right hand side top, symbol, price change, OI percentage. So all the major 3 indices are given over here. Okay, so you can easily gauge the market sentiment based on this. See, the narration is mentioned. So as of now in Nifty, the current built up is long. Fin Nifty, the built up is short covering. Bank Nifty, the built up is long. Okay, so easily you can track like whether Nifty is following a long built up or short built up or whatever. So based on this, you can get the overall view of the market. Apart from that, if you see synopsis, days, high low, option chain, unusual option activity, intraday movers, index contributor. So there are lots of fancy indicators over here which will definitely help you to improve your trading. Okay. So let's click on track, and then under options OI, let's click on triggers. Okay, so I have already explained about these triggers in today's video, and also in the previous videos we have explained. So there is no much change, a slight change which we are going to learn today. Like what we actually learned, say, if the change in OI is negative, that is, if the call writers are unwinding their positions, then there is a possibility that that particular level has become vulnerable, and we can expect either a breakout or a breakdown. So today what we are going to check out is, instead of unwinding, we are going to check out addition, correct? If writers are adding their position, then that particular resistance or say that particular support becomes stronger rather than vulnerable, correct? So give me a second. So for those who have already watched my previous videos, this might be a revision, and for those who are new can watch this till the end. Okay, so let me explain you the interface first. Okay, as always, let's go start with the interface. So in the middle, if you see, this is the future price and the name of the stocks, like say Aarti Industries, ABB, Abbott India. These are all the future stocks. So if you keep on scrolling, you will be getting 187 FNO scripts over here. Okay, so see, AB Capital is trading at 228, ABFRL at 346, ACC at 2609, Adani Ports at 1583. So these are the stocks and its prices here. Okay, now on the left hand side, if you see, there is strike. First of all, check this. This is highest calls on the left hand side and highest puts on the right hand side. Okay, so on the left hand side, if you see, there is a strike. Now what is this strike? This is, I would say, a resistance level, or you can say call writers are active at these levels. Now for Aarti Industries, you can say 750 is the strongest resistance, for ABB 9000 is strong resistance, for Abbott India 30,000 is a resistance. So how these resistance are generated? So based on OI, this tool automatically gives you the resistance. Okay, now the next one is call difference. So what is call difference? Call difference is basically the difference between these two. Okay, how far the stock is currently trading from its resistance level. Say Aarti Industries is trading at 754, the resistance is at 750. So we can say that the call difference is minus 0.61%. Why it is minus? Because if you see, the current price is 754, correct, and the stock and the resistance is 750. So the stock has breached its resistance. That is why the call difference is negative. Okay, now OI is self-explanatory. So in Aarti Industries at 750 strike, how many contracts are opened as of now? That is 12,91,000 contracts are opened. Okay, so this was about the call side. Now let us go and check out on the put side. Okay, so if you see, again there is a option of strike. Now what does this say? Here on the left hand side, strike indicates resistance. So on the right hand side, this strike indicates support. So for Aarti Industries, I would say the put writers are at 700. For ABB, it is 7,500. Abbott India, it is 27,000. Okay, so the right hand side strike column gives you the automatic support levels based on OI. Now comes put difference. What is put difference? You can easily guess this. Okay, so it is basically the difference between these two. That is how far the stock is currently trading from its support levels. Say as of now, Aarti Industries is trading at 754 and the support level is at 700, correct? So if you calculate the difference in percentage terms, it will be 7.24%. And ABB is trading 5.77% away from its support levels. Okay, and OI is self-explanatory. I need not explain anything about OI. Okay, so now how to find the reversals using this tool? Okay, how to find the reversals using this tool? Okay, now as soon as you open this, okay, as soon as you open this triggers, what you are supposed to do is just click on this call difference. Okay, as soon as you click on this call difference, just scroll and find out those stocks where you can say the call difference is between 0 to 1%. Okay, the criteria is, first of all, because see, when you would like to find a reversal, when the stock is near to its resistance, at that point in time, we want to find a reversal, correct? So try, first of all, click on the arrow and then scroll and find out those stocks where the call difference is between 0 to 1%. So see, Indigo, Bata India, Adani Enterprise, Bosch Limited, Sun TV. These are the counters where call difference is between 0 to 1%. Now what does this mean? What does it mean when I say call difference is between 0 to 1%? That says, if the call difference is between 0 to 1%, that means the stock is trading very much close to its resistance level. Now see, Sun TV is trading at 898. What is the resistance level for Sun TV? That is 900. Bosch is trading at 34,946. What is the resistance level? 35,000. So here the call difference is between 0 to 1%. That means the stock is very much close to its resistance. Now there are again two possibilities. If the stock trades near its resistance, either it can break out or it can retrace from there. Correct? So we want to capture reversals. So whenever the stock is near its resistance, how you can capture the reversals? Now look at the first column, which is change in OI. Correct? So if the change in OI is negative, that means call writers are unwinding their positions. That means there is a possibility that the stock might break out. But what we want to check out the reversals. Correct? So instead of change in OI getting negative, look for those stocks where change in OI is positive. That is, if you go and check out extremely positive. Okay, see here for Tech Mahindra. Check. At 1560, Tech Mahindra is currently trading. It is trading near its resistance level, and if you check, the change in OI is 153% positive. That means additional 153% contracts have got added over there. That means 1560 will now act as a strong resistance for Tech Mahindra. So when Tech Mahindra hits 1560, that is Tech Mahindra is currently trading around 1560 levels. So at this point in time, keeping a stop loss of say, you can say, how can you, like, you can go and buy a put, or you can create a strategy. Okay, I won't advise you to go with naked puts or anything. You can deploy a strategy over here. And how would you trigger your stop loss? Okay, say for example, if Tech Mahindra starts sustaining above 1560 for some time, and this positive 153.25% starts turning into negative. Okay, say if the change in OI starts turning into negative, that means the writers who were present at 1560 levels are now losing confidence and they have started unwinding their positions. So at that point in time, you can cut your stop losses and you can exit. But if you want to find an ideal scenario for reversal, this is one such tool which will definitely help you, because here you can automatically filter out the stocks which are trading near its resistance. Once you find the stocks which are trading near its resistance, then you are supposed to go and check change in OI. So instead of reversals, okay, instead of change in OI being negative, if the change in OI is significantly positive, then you can expect the reversal from there. Now check Jubilant Food, 598 is the current price, 600 is the resistance. Instead of unwinding at 600 level, the writers have started adding more and more positions. That is, more and more call rating is happening. So 103.95% additional call rating seen. So 600 can act as a strong resistance, you can say. Okay, so this is how you are supposed to go and find the reversal trade. Okay, first filter out the stocks and then check change in OI. If the change in OI is getting more and more positive, that means more and more call writers are adding their positions. So that particular level can act as a strong resistance. Now let's go on the right hand side and same conditions for put. Okay, let me click on the put difference, scroll and find for those stocks which are between 0 to 1%. Okay, so if the put difference is between 0 to 1%, that means the stock is very much close to its support levels. Correct? So once the stock trades near its support level, there are two possibilities again. Either the stock might break down or the stock might reverse from that level. Correct? Now what we want, we are here to find reversal trade. That is, say for example, if a stock is trading near to its support, I am expecting the stock to bounce. Okay, so when would I get a confirmation that this support is strong enough and the stock won't break this and I can expect a reversal? Same based on change in OI. Okay, so give me a second. Change in OI. So if the change in OI is extremely positive, what does that mean? Now check here. Granules, 633 is the current price, 630 is the support level, put difference is between 0 to 1%. That means the stock is very much close to its support as of now. Correct? And change in OI is 100% positive. That means suppose 100 writers were present, now the writers became 200, that is double. Correct? So you can say 100% additional put writers are put writers have added their positions, correct? So this support has become stronger now. See here, in Kotak Bank, if you see, it is negative. That means this particular support is now becoming weak and we can expect a downside. But what we want, we don't want a downside momentum. We want reversal trades, correct? So here, if the change in OI is strong enough, if the change in OI is positive, you can definitely go and find out the reversals, okay? So see 99%. Hind Copper, 325 is the current price, 320 is the support. Instead of unwinding, we can see strong addition in put writing, okay? And if you see again, GMR Infra, 102 is the price, 100 is the support level. Instead of unwinding, we can see strong writing at 100 level. So 83% addition, correct? So this is how you can go and filter out the stocks, and then whether the stock might reverse or whether the stock might continue the momentum in that direction, you can gauge based on change in open interest, okay? So I hope you might have definitely liked this video, okay? So as just like this video, share, subscribe and comment, okay? Show lots of love, okay? And stay tuned, we'll get back to you, we'll see you in the next video soon. Thank you, thanks for your valuable time.